This is a fiberglass bathtub in a bathroom of a rental property, and I gutted this whole bathroom because some harebrained tile guy put tile against his back wall, and instead of removing the toilet, he tiled around the toilet tank. It was just easier to rip out all the existing sheetrock, and in doing so I replaced all the old galvanized steel water lines and replaced them with PEX A expansion PEX. So all the sheetrock is done, the painting is done, new ceiling fan is in, new light fixture, and it got a new 3-piece fiberglass enclosure. I didn't replace the tub because the tub was in nice condition and I didn't see the need for it. So decided just to prep it and refinish it. So I'm not going to get involved with explaining the preparation process because of the materials I'm using here. If you don't know the basic preparation techniques and what you should use, you probably have no business trying to do what I'm doing here. I've been a custom painter for 40 years, custom painting turbine helicopters, boats, exotic cars, all kinds of stuff. So this fiberglass was prepared. There was an area where there were some cracks, so I ground out the cracks and laminated some new fiberglass mat. Did all the prep work. So now this fiberglass is going to be primed with PPG DP40 LF epoxy primer, and then it's going to be coated with PPG Concept catalyzed polyurethane enamel. So I have a little bit more I have to do. I have to dig out the caulk where the linoleum butts up to the tub, and mask that end of the wall as well as back here, and put a mask on the linoleum. Two coats of DP40 epoxy primer applied to the fiberglass. And this is after 2 coats of Concept. And it's going to get one more coat. I'm going to let this flash for 20 minutes. This is after the 3rd coat of Concept. This tub looks beautiful. So this is how the bathtub came out with 3 coats of Concept. It's an absolute perfect color match to the fiberglass enclosure. New linoleum floor, new toilet, new vanity, new light. Vanity's not secured yet because I got to put a grill. done on the heat discharge. But all in all, this bathroom looks beautiful.